of why data is so important in AI. 1. AI learns from data. AI, especially machine learning, uses data to learn patterns, relationships, and rules. Example: an AI model learns to recognize cats in images by analyzing thousands of labeled cat pictures. 2. Quality data equals accurate AI triad. If data is clean, complete, and unbiased, the AI will perform better. Poor quality data leads to wrong results, unfair decisions, or bias. 3. Data helps AI make predictions and decisions. AI uses historical data to make predictions. Example: predicting customer behavior, medical diagnosis, or fraud detection is all based on learning from past data. 4. Data trains and tests AI models. AI models are trained on one set of data and tested on another to check accuracy and general performance. Without proper training data, the AI can't improve or adapt. Data affects AI ethics and fairness. Biased data can lead to biased AI. Example: if facial recognition is trained mostly on light skinned faces, it may fail to recognize darker skinned individuals. 6. Real time data keeps AI updated. In real time applications like weather forecasting or stock trading, AI relies on up to date data to give timely results. 7. Data reflects the real world. AI needs data that reflects the diversity and complexity of the real world. More data equals more context, better decision making. Summary: better data equals better AI. The success of AI depends on having the right data in the right quantity and with the right quality.